How's it going, YouTube? Got a 15-inch Crescent adjustable wrench. I'm gonna see if I can restore it and make it look good. Looks like it's in pretty good shape, other than the rust. What else I've noticed? So you can tell this is isn't that old because they've cheaped out on the metal a little bit. Here's a proto 15-inch. Looks a little shorter, but if you look at the end of it, they've made it narrower, and that helps to hold, but it's not really the strongest. They're about the same width, but the head's a little thicker on the proto. This is an older proto. Yeah, we'll see if I can make this look better than that. Alright, get to the wire wheel and see what she looks like. So I got all the rust off of it. Don't look too bad. So now time to make it pretty. See what we can do with this. Alright, I finally got this finished. Got a pretty good shine on it. Put some orange in there. This is what I really liked. Did the sides really well, got all the dents and dings out. Looks better than new. Crescent, made in USA. Crystalloy. Works just fine. Still really straight, didn't have to do nothing there. Took a lot of work to get it that shiny. And Mom, got you here. Just gonna show you some other stuff I recently did. I'll include some pictures of the before and after at the end. So Wilton C-clamp. Picked it up for $3. Just nice blue on it. Only thing I messed up is put some silver in the letters and clear coated it a little too early, and it didn't turn out that good, but paint looks really nice on this. And here's my favorite. This is a Stanley 700 Vise. It's a corner vise. I didn't change the insides because they were still good and I didn't have no fiberboard. Put some yellow. I used some automotive paint. What is this? Oh, let me find it. Use Duplicolor royal blue. Put some clear coat on it because it was kind of a matte finish. I had to make this bar, and it works fine now. Need to lube it up still. The only thing I didn't do is I didn't straighten this out because I don't have a press yet. And it was really hard to make that bar because I don't have a lathe. Bought this 1/2-inch bar at Home Depot and put it in a drill press chuck, and I spent more time doing that than anything, but yeah. So, hope you liked it. Subscribe.